Hello, Clem, and today I'm going to demonstrate the first kinda sort of application I made using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for the front end. This was my first project, and this one really is the one that made me decide to become a software engineer or web developer. So let's dive right in. First of all, since this is my first project, I'll kind of explain to you my background at the end here. But you can see all the HTML. We got some JavaScript here. And then we also have some pictures. It looks like some public pictures. I did not complete this project, and I'll touch on that here at the very end. But what you will see is the web page. Since HTML and some of this code is not really fun to look at here, I'll just take you right into what is fun to look at. So here was the website right here. It's HTML and CSS. It's got this flexbox design. It's got some basic JavaScript functions too, where you can click on these. It expands a section, pickup and delivery, all of these things. If you were to hit confirm, it would go into the cart, which is right up here. We click this, and it basically would say delivery, confirm your address. As you can see, I stopped programming it, but this is kind of the example of what it would look like. And then you have the checkout button down here. Yeah, so after that, you have basically your menu items on this front page, and it's appetizers, entrees, curries, all that stuff. Since this is a Chada Thai, this is a restaurant in Denver, Colorado. Actually, if you're in the area, I highly recommend it. It's super, super good. It's a family-owned restaurant too, so the mom, or right now, she's the chef, so head chef, so good food there. But yeah, so if we look at the home page, right, and then we view the menu, you can kind of see what's going on. As you can see, each different section is staying at the top, right? So that's kind of nice. This was gonna just be like a filter. You click on these, it filters to the section that you want, type of thing. I was going to design reservation slots. So basically you can make a reservation online. This is kind of what it was looking like. Next week, all those things. And then they also had quite the catering thing. So I was going to be able to make same type of catering thing that you see in the front right here. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of the breakdown of it. You saw the cart here, and then you also saw current prep time, and then pre-order, pickup, and delivery, and then the different pages. Kind of see the design I was going for here. So yeah, but this is really when I first realized that I wanted to do software and web development for a living. I literally spent hours after work every night just fiddling and tweaking and reading about things online, trying to get this thing up and running. But there was a point when I noticed that my self-taught skills were not going to be able to deliver the results that I wanted. And that's how I knew, like, okay, I need to take this seriously and move into a software engineering school. So I guess where I started, I actually did all the tutorials on Developer Mozilla and W3 schools. So I did all the HTML, CSS, and all the JavaScript tutorials on there. But even with all that knowledge, I was not able to deliver the results that I needed to get this thing kind of going. And I even knew that, so I'm happy I'm stopped. But yeah, so I think when you look at this file structure too, it's just so unorganized. You don't really know what's going on. I see like 4 Chada Thai things on there: menu, reservation, HTMLs, all these things, scripts are clocks, open cart. I don't even think half of those are working type of thing. Anyways, I just wanted to show everyone this because maybe you're in a similar position. And I just want to let everybody know, keep coding, keep believing in yourself to make a change. You do not have to know everything to start when you start coding. Coding is not that type of skill where you can say like you've mastered it and then you move on to something else that you can master. It's not like that. It's a constant learning and evolving skill, but that's really like the beauty of coding itself. And that's what makes it so fun, is every problem is different. Anyways, yeah, so there you go. If you like these videos, feel free to click around and watch them. I have a few more out there, so just click around and find them, pretty easy. But also, I'm trying to build my network, so find me on Medium at Noah A. Clem. Noah A as an apple, Clem. That's my full name. That's kind of what I go by. And I'll post about code on there, sometimes my thoughts, but eventually I'll transition into teaching and just kind of go forward from there. But yeah, anyways, thanks everybody for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.